What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking back in from Busch Gardens, Tampa Bay for yet another Iron Gwazi construction update. I know we were just here yesterday for track completion, but today apparently is going to be a really special day as we're hearing the first test run is going to take place. If it does, we'll show you that. Let's go. No wait to get through security or through the front entrance, and we are on our way. Well, check this out, guys. We have some crew members from RMC up on the death roll, and they have a cutout for envelope testing to make sure that it's not going to be hitting anything as it's going through the course. Well, the crane just went back in the air with a basket, and I'm thinking that's part of the marketing team or somebody with a camera, as I think we're about to test, guys. Alright, so now the audio is on in the queue, and I think the ride is powered on, folks. There's our warning siren. So a lot of higher ups right here are waiting. And why would they be doing that? Well, you guys already know.
Yes. Oh my God.
Go, baby, go.